Hello YouTube, it is Crank854 here. Not coming back with a lock update for the first time I guess. On Facebook right now. I'm switching cameras with hands. Anyway, right here back when I get done with the video. Basically, I was making this video because it's an incident that's happened on more than one occasion, but it especially happened today when I was in the store. So I had on my 50 cap, new one I just bought, doing, dress hanging out the side, just at Walmart, walking around getting some more shower gel, just shopping. Basically, I was walking around the corner to go in the next aisle on the back side, like this. Anyway, I was walking around and like this Caucasian woman, she had two children with her, and as I was walking, they weren't really close to me. They were kind of far apart. They were at least 3-4 feet away from me, and she grabbed him. She grabbed him like she saw a murderer or something. Like, you have a problem with me? No. And this type of things happens on more than one occasion. I don't know. I feel like this happened because of these locks. I mean, I don't look like a very intimidating person. I wear fitted clothes, I wear tight shirts and stuff. I mean, do I look intimidating? But it's happened on more than one occasion, being judged by the way you look, just because I got dreads, And it's happened before. Actually, that incident with children and the mother and grabbing the child has happened 2 times. Both were Caucasian. Now, I'm not trying to say that it's just, we just said white people, I'm tired of saying Caucasian. Anyway, but, I'm not racist, not even this much. I have a lot of white friends, but, it seems like a lot of white people get, I don't know, they get intimidated, or they have this preset image in their head of what people with dreads are like. So, I just wanted to tell y'all about the incident. It kind of pissed me off a little bit, because it's happened on more than one occasion. If not people grabbing their children, people, you can tell how they look at you, because I play golf. I don't know if y'all know that. I play golf, and I'm on a golf course, and I meet a lot of old white men, and they seem to always prejudge me without getting to know me. So basically, I'm just making this video for anybody that's had this happen to them. Comment, rate, subscribe, and if you have had any incident like this happen to you, just put it down there. You can leave a tag the video, whatever. I guess that's what it's called. Anyway, but yeah, just do that. Tell me to get my new hat. But I need to write this girl back on Facebook, so I'm gonna holler at y'all later. Crank854 out.